Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa and girls. We're having that wonderful hurricane coming through today, Helene. So I'm at home today. I actually took off because my husband and I were going to go on a trip because tomorrow is my birthday. I'll be 62. Woohoo. And this comes in. It's an omen, I'm thinking. I don't know. But what I'm going to talk to you about right now is a BB cream and a powder. Now somebody told me that they have used the BB cream and then they put like a foundation powder over it. And I'm just curious to see, is that going to work? Because I've never done that before. So we're going to give it a shot. Now I am going to use Younique's BB cream. This is the color light. Very, very nice. This has an SPF of 30 in it. And then I'm going to turn around and use this powder foundation over it. I'm not going anywhere, so what have I got to lose? I'm going to try it. The first thing I'm going to do or have done is I have prepped my face. I've used Smashbox and I've used the All Nighter. I sprayed this and then I put this to the T-zone. Okay, so that way I know I've done my job there. Nothing's going to move, hopefully, and I do not have my under eyes done. So here's my little swap, and this is the color light with Younique. So I'm just going to kind of bounce this around my face and let's just see what we get. I really don't know about this. I love this BB cream though. BB cream is so light. This one does have a little bit of coverage to it too, and I do wear it. Not often as I should. I really love to try different things. So sometimes I get off on stuff and I don't, I wear the same thing over and over. So I'm just going to kind of press this in into my skin. You know what? I'm just going to go ahead and go underneath my eyes too here. Why not? What's have I got to live? I did put on my Dew Effect under my eyes, and I will link that below because let me just say, you will love it. It really helps your eyes um, throughout the day, even though it plumps them up, late in the day. If you feel like you need a little more, you can just do a little dab, and it will come right back. And you'll have the best looking under eyes ever. And so that's that shiny you see underneath my eye. So let's see. That might be all I need, girls. Let me do this. Let me come around here. Say here. Right now, I'm looking outside. It's not too bad. I don't know when the storm is going to actually come around to us or not. But right now, I know some parts are getting hammered. Now, and flooding down in Florida. So I'm up near Montgomery, so we're in the middle of the state. So it's not really affecting us at this moment, other than just lots of rain. And you know how that comes. It comes in waves when you have a hurricane type situation. Hmm, I like that. That's really pretty. I might add just a tad more, just because I want to cover up that brown spot, and maybe the brown spot's over here. I don't like those. I've had them a while. They need to go. Now, I have everything on that I need, okay, except for the powder. So this is the powder. This comes in a little compact. It does have a little sponge in it right here that will pop out when I open it. Pops right out. You can pull it out, and you can see that I do use this. And I'm not going to use this though today. I'm going to actually I want to use a brush. So I'm going to use BK Beauty's 106 brush. Really nice brush. It's pretty dense, but it is soft on the top, like that. Or if you want to, you could use a beauty blender. I'm not going to do that. We are going to use this like this. I've done this before. I'm doing it with you, okay? I don't know how much to put on here. I'm going to tap it off on my hand just in case. And so I'm just going to start setting it and see what happens. And see, we'll do one side and then I'm not going to put this powder underneath my eyes though. I like to use like It's or something else for that. Something that's a little bit light. You don't want things settling too bad. So we're just going to do this side only. And let's just see. Wow, I still have the glow coming through. Oh, I'm shocked. Okay, that's not bad at all. Now let me touch. Very nice. Oh, okay. I can't really tell the difference. Can y'all? Oh my goodness. This is going to be a game changer. I'm glad I tried. I would have never tried this had I not seen somebody talk about it. And for me, putting foundation over, kind of sort of like a foundation, doubling up. It makes sense though, because this is the color Tool that I'm using here. It's a lighter color. And it's pretty close to the color of the foundation or the BB cream. So I thought I'm going to give it a shot. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face, like blush and things like that. I just want to make sure I got everything settled. All right, let me look. Wow. That's really nice. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rest of my face, and I'll come back and we'll see how it looks. Ta-da! What do you think? Oh my goodness, I love it. It's very touchable. I never thought this would work. Okay, I didn't. I really thought it would be a flop. I did. Honestly, that was my thought process. But wow, it's very touchable. That's what I like about it. So it's going to stay all day. I'm going to give it a little extra help though. I'm going to use my Revolution Fix and Glow. This is a dewy finish. I love this stuff. And I did put a little blush on. I used Laura Geller. And that one has some pretty rose tone. It's a powder. But this right here also has rose gold in it too. It's beautiful on your skin. See that? Woo, girl, that goes on your face. But I just set the T-zone pretty much with that. And then the end effect is when I just use this, which is the finishing. Hey, I'm done. Gosh, that feels so good and refreshing on your face. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay. I give it a 10. I give it a 10. Once this dries, all of this, it's going to be perfect. Absolutely perfect. Oh, I hope you try it. Please, please, please try it. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays and I would love for you to come and hang out with me. Pretty soon I'm hoping to retire, so I'll be on here more. Yay. And I can do more things. And I really love doing these little tutorials like this, short and sweet. See you next week.